Ma'am, you gotta do not lick off the makeup. Do not. We're not doing this. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Jess, and I'm here with a new video. Belle. Anyway, so today I got the opportunity to meet Kristen Leanne, and her new collab with Urban Decay pretty much just came out. It was super sweet. Let me show you a picture. We had some time with her. I got like 5 minutes with her, which is insane for a meet and greet. So we did some Charlie's Angels poses, and then she signed my palette, and of course just a regular picture. I don't know. I thought it was really cool. Also took Ulta's masterclass today with Urban Decay, which was really cool, and I actually learned a lot. Because I thought I pretty much knew makeup, but then I took this and I was like, oh, okay then. Like before, I never knew how to do wing eyeliner. And I know it's not perfect, but I'm trying to act like I'm a professional or anything, but definitely an improvement from if I were to do it yesterday. Ma'am? No. Might as well use some of Urban Decay's products and do a look using her palette, and this is the signed palette. So if you want to see how I got this look using some of Urban Decay's products, then you should definitely keep on watching. This is the B6 Prep Priming Spray from Urban Decay. Everything new that I'm using is from Urban Decay. So I used this first in the class and I was like shook because it actually made me not shiny at all. And when I had my makeup on, it didn't get shiny throughout the day. So I love this. Now that's done, I'm gonna prime and do my foundation as I normally would because I didn't get any new products with that, so BRB. I do love my brow wiz because it just like, I like to shape them because I need to. But she introduced me today, one of the girls, to this brow box from Urban Decay. This is in Honey Pot, and I actually already kind of used it a little bit, but basically, it's these two shades, and then this is like a wax, and so it is waterproof. And then on this side it has, like a spoolie, a brush, and tweezers. Which, speaking of tweezers, I know my brows are a joke right now because I'm in school for skincare and we're getting into waxing, so I can't wax anything, if you know what I mean. So I can't wax my brows, so excuse them. I know it's gonna look pretty rough, but we're just gonna roll with it. So anyway, I'm gonna still shape them with my brow wiz just to get a shape, and then I'll fill them in with the brow box. The shape that I want, I'm gonna go in with this. I don't think I'm gonna use the brush that it comes with because it's very like short. So I'm just using this angled brush. This is from e.l.f. It's just their small angled brush. It's cheap, so I'm just gonna start. Ooh, I have it. Don't know why I just noticed the mirror. Okay. So I'm just gonna dip in with these two shades and then kind of dip into the wax. And let's see how it goes. Now onto the eyes, which I'm most excited about. So I'm going to start by going in with Brixton, which is this white color right here. Ooh, wrong side. And I'm going to just start highlighting my brow. And I absolutely love the mirror on here. It's so big I can use it to actually put on my makeup. I'm just going to go in really quick with my Morphe 15N palette. I'm just going to go in real quick with the color Opal just for a light transitioning shade because I always use a transition shade before anything. Go-to brush for transition shades. This is the Morphe M504. So just with the Opal shade, gonna quickly go over my whole eye. No fallout. It's insane. Corona, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. And with the Tajin, and I'm gonna kind of blend that all together. Oh, this is really soft. I normally don't use the brushes that come in palettes, but this is actually really nice. Brush and kind of go right here. Oh, you can't see it, go right here. Again, no fallout. There's like no fallout on any of the colors. I'm really shook. So. I got the 24/7 Glide On eye pencil. So I got it in black. I suck at eyeliner, so I was really surprised on how well this like helped me with it. Okay. I literally cannot film and do eyeliner at the same time, so be right back because it might take a while. Okay, so like 15 minutes later, I'm pretty much all the way done. So I added my wing liner, and I actually went over it with the NYX, let me show you. So shocked. Tell me this does not look like eyeliner right now, but it is actually, I used the 13th Floor shade and stamped it like on my waterline, and it just totally like pulled the look together. And then on my inner corners, I mixed together Leo and Brixton. Now I'm going to be using her Beauty Beam highlight palette. And because I am, your girl's very pale, I'm going to pretty much just go in with this. The M510, I'm going to get in here, and let's see how she highlights. Oh. Okay. I was really not expecting it to be as blinding as this is. This really is. Like, okay. I am not mad about that. I'll put on just the tip of my nose. Pops BFF2 pencil. So I'm just gonna, just so I can get a shape. Oh, this packaging, I'm like, honestly, make this a drinking game and drink every time I say, oh my god, the packaging, because I say a lot. But, oh my god, the packaging. I need to keep it, like, I can't throw this out. So this is Bun Bun. This is her. Wow, it's like really hard to see, but it says her name right there. This is Bun Bun. I think it's a really good nude. This matches perfectly to the lip liner. Ooh, she's a little sloppy. Wow, I just found a dupe. So ColourPop's color and BFF2, literally the same exact shade. So of course, to set my whole makeup, I'm gonna be using the all-nighter spray because I need it all night. So that is the finished look using some of the products from Kristen Leanne's collab with Urban Decay. As you can tell, I'm obsessed with it, like more than I ever thought I was. And that's not being biased because I met her today. But I really do like the products, and I'm definitely going to keep using it and playing with color. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other looks you want me to do using her palette. And as always, subscribe so you're notified whenever I post a new video. And as always, I say it in every video, my social media links are down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!